Hey, you. Is she talking to me? Yeah, you. Who else would I be talking to? Okay, what do you want? I remember you saying that you were going to get into affiliate marketing this year, and the year's almost over. So, what's going on? Yeah, you're right. The year's almost over, so I'll just start next year. Yeah, but there's 45 days left in this year, and you could start now, finish your training by the end of November, and start bringing in money before Christmas, and even buy more Christmas presents or go do something nice for yourself. Is that really possible? Could I really do that before the end of the year? Oh my goodness, how many times do I have to tell you? Yes, it doesn't take that long if you actually go with a program that teaches you everything you need to know. It's literally like a business in a box, girl. Yeah, well, if it's all that, then I probably can't even afford it. Yeah, I said the same thing, but look at me now. Okay, so how do I get started with this? Because, yeah, I definitely need this. Oh, it is so simple. All you have to do is follow me and like this post, comment down below that you want information. I'll reach out to you and we'll get you set up.